Methics TV.
Hello guys, welcome to Methics TV YouTube channel. My name is David. Thank you so much for joining us. If this is your first time of joining us, please make sure to like, to subscribe, to comment, and if you love the video, please make sure to share it with your friends. Today we are at Jack Darling Memorial Park, and this place is massive, big and beautiful. If you haven't been here before, you have to check this place out. From the green space to the lake to the playground, the picnic area to the water fountain, everything is beautiful and lit. Trust me, if you haven't been here before, I'll say it again, make sure to check this place out again. But before we go, I would like to let you guys know a little about the history of this place and why the name is Jack Darling. The name came from a World War II veteran who actually did a lot of community service in Mississauga, and because of that he was honored, and it was given this park was named after him in about 1970. Enough of the history, stay tuned with me guys. Thank you very much.
Methics TV.
say a big thank you to you guys for joining me today. If this is your first time of joining me, make sure you subscribe, you like, you comment, and if you love our videos, make sure you share with your friends. Today we are at Jack Darling Memorial Park. It's a very big and beautiful park. It has the Ontario Lake down there, downtown Toronto. Trust me, if you haven't been here before, you have to come here and check this place out. It's a very beautiful place. It has a lot of facilities. It has a free leash dog park where you can actually leave your dog on leash. It's beautiful. It has the lake. It has some sports facilities over there. It has the playground on the other side. It's a beautiful place. If you want to have fun with your family, you should come out here and check this place out. Just check around and I'll be with you guys shortly. Thank you. Oh my goodness, guys, I had so much fun. I don't know if you had so much fun too, but I know now you know that I said it and you met it that way. This place is beautiful and big. You guys have to check this place out. I'm saying it again, you have to check this place out if you haven't been here before. And if you have been here before, you can always come back and have much more fun. I'm gonna be signing out here, and I want you guys to watch out for the next video. But before I go, I want my buddy here to just talk to you guys in 1 minute.
ඉතින් අපිට පුළුවන් විදිහට පාර්ක් එකේ ලස්සන ඔයගොල්ලන්ට පෙන්නුවා. ඉතින් මෙහෙ ඉන්න අයට මේ පාර්ක් එකට එන්න පුළුවන්. ඒ වගේම ඉතින් කැනඩාවේ පිට ඉන්න අයටත් මේ පාර්ක් එකේ ලස්සන බලා ගන්න පුළුවන් වුණා කියලා අපි හිතනවා. ඉතින් අද අපි මේ වීඩියෝ එක මෙතන නවත්තනවා. තවත් වීඩියෝ එකකින් අපි ඉක්මනින්ම ඔයගොල්ලන් ගාවට එනවා. අපේ එතකන් අපේ වීඩියෝස් කමෙන්ට් කරන්න, ලයික් කරන්න, ෂෙයා කරන්න. ඒ වගේම ඔයගොල්ලන්ට තව දැනගන්න ඕන දේවල් තියෙනවා නම් අපිට අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම කමෙන්ට් කරන්න. අපි ඒවට උත්තර දෙනවා. එහෙනම් ඔයගොල්ලෝ අමතක කරන්න එපා. අපේ channel එක
subscribe karanna.
Methics TV.